Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Almotairi and I'm presenting on Apple for my social media plan. Apple was established in 1976 by Steve Jobs and his colleague mate, Steve Wozniak. They wanted to reduce the size of computers so that they could be operated at homes and offices. Since then, the company has invested in corporate policies and produces to facilitate social media engagement and promotional activities. Apple's top competitors include Samsung, Huawei, Dell, Sony, HP, Toshiba, Microsoft, and Lenovo. So, social cultural, social cultural, political, economic, and technological elements for external environment have a significant impact on Apple business model and operation. Like other companies, Apple Apple's core social media corporate objective is to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube for marketing, advertisement, customer service, delivery. Likewise, the promotional objective seeks to make Apple produce more attractive to new customers, boost brands and awareness globally, and pre, pre- penetrate the global market effectively. Target market analysis shows that Apple uses geographical, behavior, and psychological basis when targeting its customer. Apple divides the markets into the aforementioned segment therapy, making it easy target the segment that seems to have more potential buyers. TIE segmentation is based on expected benefits, loyalty occasions, and other elements. Social media habits analysis shows that Facebook is the leading marketing site that can help Apple penetrate or cover a wide market. Twitter also used by Apple company to engage its customers, encourage users, share essential information with other users. The company uses paid ads to increase tweets and following in several Twitter ads, thereby boosting its accessibility. Instagram accounts are used to engage Apple customers through increased client-company interactions. Instagram also used it to distribute videos, images, and other digital content, manifesting Apple's creativity, innovation, attractiveness, and produce a diversity. Apple company has relatively fewer YouTube channels than that are used to engage in its customers. Social media strategy explores what Apple is planning to achieve in social media marketing plan. The goals must be smart to help assess the level of attainment through the analysis of meaningful metrics. This social media strategy covers four zones such as community, polishing, entertainment, and commerce. Firstly, the social community zone indicates that Apple uses social media to promote the sharing of information across the community. Secondly, the polishing zone focus on the detailed sharing of detailed and comprehensive information regarding to specific Common publishing zones include Tumblr, Flickr, Blogger, Blogspot, and others. Apple has developed good content that can attract an audience. Also, the company uses social media channels such as YouTube, Instagram, MySpace to entertain and make clients happy through videos, music, and games. Finally, social commerce zone shows that social media is used as platform where selling and buying of foods and services can take place. Common social Common social commerce zone include TripAdvisor, Groupon, and Yelp. The promotion strategy seeks to facilitate direct selling, sales promotion, advertisement, personal selling, and publicity. Promotion strategy also involves using social media to provide free gifts, subsidy products, and coupons. Product or brand awareness strategy focuses on ensuring that the product and the brand reach the broader market, both nationally and internationally. This involves sharing information, advice, and stories on social media, and then encourages followers to share with others so that they can share gifts, such as platforms can be used for employee engagement to foster collaboration and cooperation among workers. Likewise, they can be used for informal communication, humanize and brand and personalize message to influence customer purchases decision, and through value proposition identification. Finally, Apple can use social media for verbal instructions for customers and reminders for employees. Social media can be used to share information explaining to customers how to buy, operate, and a particular product. It can be also used for corporate reminders regarding producers and policies. Activation strategy can be actualized through the provision of adequate resources that are required to implement this. This could be followed by the development of timeline regarding when the task should be accomplished. After resources have been availed, the timeline developed, and all planning is done. Implementation can be placed active in the active place to activate the social media plan for Apple. Timing should be also done carefully to ensure that the project is completed within the specific period. Also, that the plan should be checked against the objectives to ensure there are no inconsistencies. Human resources managers should be also hire competent employees to fill any gaps or vaccines created by social media plans. Upon successful plan performance can be managed or measured using dashboard tools that can measure track the key performance index. The measurement could be done in milestones to assess the performance of the plan over the specific period. Thank you for your time.